I was surprised to see the provincial capital building. And I said, am I really in Pangasinan? Because it used to be a rundown place.
When they renovated the provincial capital, they did a great job.
Hindi ba noon ang tawag mo dyan, ospital? But I'm surprised to know that my constituents have now greater faith in our provincial hospitals because of the great improvement brought about by this present administration.
He did it only for 3 years. Ano kaya kung bigyan natin yan siya ng 6 more years?
Governor Amado T. Espino Jr. Yan ang governor namin!